So what are the details on the engine?
B-Series.
B-Series engine, okay. These are street. There it is. What a beautiful day here in the Bay Area, you guys. And what a beautiful day to review a car. And welcome back to the channel, you guys. Hope you guys are having a great day. Currently making our way back into the city. That being said, we're gonna be linking up with the boy Steffo again. He has another build, that's right. If you guys didn't catch it in the last video, when I test drove his AP1 S2K, he actually has a CRX. Not just any CRX. Fully built CRX. Now, I'm not gonna give too many details on that until we pull up and we actually review it, test drive it, and all that good stuff. But if you are new to the channel, do me the solid, go down, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Let's get started with this video. Finally made it. He's having regrets on selling it. But nah, we're just here to test drive. We're here to review it. Overall, I mean, CRXs, you do not see a lot of these anymore. One thing I will say is, I think it's the lightest chassis to come for the Honda.
Lighter than the Miata.
Lighter than the Miata, which is insane. What color is this, bro?
It's originally white, but it was wrapped green.
So you guys see it.
Yes, sir.
So what are the details on the engine, actually? Do you know?
Yeah, B-Series.
B-Series engine,
Yeah.
okay. So I like Hondas. I'm not like a pro or like an expert, I would say. I do know about the B-Series, the K-swaps, the F-Series, which is on the S2K, right? Right, we're gonna confirm that. Point is though, we are gonna be, well, we got keys to it right now. We're gonna be going for a spin, I believe. The homies are gonna pull up on us after. As of right now though, we're gonna give you guys POV, action, and all that stuff. So stay tuned, this is it. All right, the owner himself. Man. This boy's about to give us the whole rundown. So like you said, originally white, wrapped green.
Got some parts in it right now.
This boy is running a rear sub. This boy's ready to kick it. He does have another exhaust, as you guys can tell. Let's get that cold start real quick. That's a project car for y'all. One thing I love about it though is project car. That's literally all it screams right now, you guys. If you guys haven't had a project car, I'm telling you guys, best decision of your life. It'll give you headaches, but at the end of the day, you fall in love. Close the trunk. So how much, brother? How much? 3K right now.
It's camera shy.
It is. I should probably stop recording so it turns on. But engine setup. These are street. There it is. I don't know. That would be crazy. So he closed the trunk and it started. Possibly. But we are gonna let this boy warm up. After that, it's really just quick pulls and all. So, yup. This thing is a sleeper, y'all.
Super light. No power steering for extra horsepower.
Yeah, exactly. So we're gonna have that torque steer. But that being said, I mean, we're about to hit Mexico runs right now. Fully gutted. Like if you didn't have any of this stuff back here, you would be gapping Scats, Mustangs, Camaros, you name it. So he said clutch is a little bit springy and a bit high. We're about to find out right now. Lights are on. Cars coming.
Damn.
This boy's flying, man. We could have got paid. All right, let's see.
You're
Oh my god. If you guys thought the trouble was having it start, man, that's the least of your concerns. This thing, oh my god, this thing's fun. It screams.
You haven't even had VTEC yet. Wait till you hit VTEC.
VTEC. Like I said, if you guys are stressed in life, buy yourselves a project car. This will take all your troubles away.
I'm telling you, man.
Oh, bro, this thing spins second. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it smiles. Let's see it.
Good?
Okay.
Yeah.
Life lesson. If you ever want to pick up a girl, take a project car. If she stays for the second date, she's the one. Bro, this car is fun.
But wait till when you start pushing it in every gear, popping out those gears, this thing is something else. Be careful on the brakes, so use downshifting, use engine braking.
That's another thing about manual cars. If you know how to downshift, you're never gonna get bored of this car. I'm telling you guys. But he just wants to go.
I know, it just wants to go. It's a race car, that's what I tell
people. This is a race car. This is definitely a race car.
This on the track would be fun.
Oh my, you haven't taken it to the track?
Not yet.
You have to take it to the track. This thing is fun.
Why I've been telling you to come.
I had high hopes. Stefan was hyping it up.
And I do not have anything, bro.
Yeah, now we know. If you guys, if Stefan says something, you can hold him to his word. This car is absolutely fun. This thing on the track for sure.
And you can pass it. It actually revs at 9. But
really?
Yeah.
You get it all the way up there?
Oh yeah, it will bounce way past 8, but you don't have to push it that much.
Yeah, no, we'll stick it to like
But it's
7.
more when you downshift. If you downshift and it's at 6,
yeah.
You're not. It basically hits VTEC like at 6.5, 6. Then we can take a little spin.
Yeah, those downshifts to an advantage.
AC can be plugged in if I want to.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Then you're gonna lose horsepower,
right?
Yeah. So this is what a true Honda should be like.
Exactly.
I've driven Stan's Hondas, but these Hondas with like power, something else.
Well, it's crazy how a little engine like this can produce so much.
Yeah.
Car's so light.
A little engine that could. Feels like I'm about to hit boost, but there's no boost. Oh, I feel it. Oh my god. That VTEC roars. Damn. You said you wanted how much? This car will get you in trouble.
Oh, it will. But it's a sleeper, so. But it's not easy to drive at all.
I mean, I think that's the fun in it, you know?
Yeah,
like
of course.
It literally reminds me of like these older cars where it was just spirited driving.
Yep.
I would take this to like the canyons or something and just, oh, this thing in the canyons. Yeah, this thing in the canyons would be fun. Hopefully, see a quick third here, bro. Right when we hit VTEC, we got a red light. Yeah, bro, this thing's green.
This thing's something else.
Straight or
Yeah, you can straight. If this traffic clears up after this red, you can do a little first and second pull.
okay.
Because this is the most fun when you first pull.
Yeah, this gear.
Yeah.
There's cars behind me. Hopefully it's not a cop. Here we go. My God. This car's insane.
The M4 is fun, but this is
Oh,
old
see,
school
one
power.
thing I honestly regret about the M4 is I didn't go manual on it. Manual, and I'll say this 1,000 times, I don't care how old I am, manual's just the way to go. This thing- You ever push it like this, Stefan?
Yeah.
Okay, so you know what's about that. Oh yeah, you know what's
But it's hard for me, you know.
just because you're still getting used to it?
Yeah. First car with this amount of power in a manual.
Oh yeah. No, but the torque steer is what gets you.
Yeah.
That first gear, it was pulling. And I was
Oh
like,
yeah. The torque steer is insane. If you do little pulls, you'll be sliding left and right.
Man. You said my brother drove this?
Yeah.
He stalled it?
We were going like half a mile. We stalled 3 times.
Yeah, I mean, hey, every car is different. We will say that. That boy Yuli calling.
What's up, Yuli? We in the CRX right now. What do you think, Alex?
Oh, bro, this is fun, bro. I don't know how you solo this. I don't know how you stalled 3 times. That's word on the street right now. I love the vibrations, though.
Yeah, those are those motor mounts.
Like, yeah, I mean, well, just that, like, it's raw power. It's just like, this is what it was like to, you know, like, let's say, fucking build a project car.
find this kind of engine built like this, and
Would
I
you say
car
again,
this
B
light.
what?
Yeah, B. But it's really the quality of the build.
Oh, for sure, 100%. You guys are still tuning into the video. This thing, man, hands down for this, hands down. I put my hands down for this one. Raw power. This is what a Honda's about. If you guys thought these little VTEC engines were overpowered, think again.
You know, if you pull from here, the power is insane.
Oh, no, yeah. I think what we got to do is teach this boy Steffo sooner or later how to downshift. Prius and Funko. That was a third gear pull and this thing. I've driven some nice cars, I've driven some fast cars. This thing rips. Oh. That's crazy. That should sink.
Well, I knew before I let her go, you had to try her
Oh
out.
yeah, I appreciate that. If you guys haven't already checked out Steffo's bike page, check it out. I'm gonna be dropping his IG down in the video, or actually in the screen right there. So check it out. We got a lot planned for the summer. Should be cooking R6. A lot of people's dream bike. Yeah, and just the raw feeling for this is insane. And the exhaust is nice too. Like first gear just rips. Insane. Insane. Steffo, you have a beast on your hands. But I mean,
She's one of a kind for sure.
for sure, one of a kind. This thing is definitely one heck of a build. You want to race for food?
Yeah, let's do it. How do you think this would do against the M? Obviously get smoked, but
I think like right off the line, you would be there.
yeah.
I think just top.
Oh yeah, top end, yeah, of course,
Just
top
the
end
gear
power.
ratio and all that stuff.
Oh, but one thing I didn't show earlier.
Let them know. Let them know.
Sounds pretty good. You showed the subwoofer earlier in the back.
I did. So subwoofer's in the back kicking. Who says a project car can't be fun and still have bump? But rounding on the video, you guys, definitely a dope experience for sure. This thing rips, 100%. Yes, sir. We are back. We're gonna grab some food. That being said, though, if you guys enjoyed the content, be sure to like, drop a comment, keep us updated, and we shall see you guys on the next one. Shout out again, the boy Steffo. He's about to stall right now. That boy's about to stall. There he goes. There he goes.
No power, no power.
Hey, don't curb rash these 3-piece wheels. But that pretty much rounds down the video, you guys. Calling it a night, heading home. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and keep it authentic, you guys. Till the next one. Peace.